In the past few weeks, we have been, or I have been reading from Book 1 of the book, The Sound of Light, speaking words of hope and comfort to those who are suffering. Book 1 is for words of grace to read aloud with those at life's end. And we're beginning to, we're coming to an end of Book 1. I'm going to read the last 2 chapters to you on this reading. So with that in mind, we come to chapter 33, the title of which is "The Off-Ramp Leads to Eden." The road has been broken. Hills have been climbed. Tumble downs into rocky ravines have been survived. All have led to this place where you might think it all has ended. Indeed, beloved, this is only the beginning. If everything holds within its limitless possibilities, be assured that your transition is without measure. Made by the eternal God, you are bound for eternal love. It is the love that has always been with you and me. Inside that eternity is love expressed in ways we cannot fathom. We tend to compare it to our own. God's love is so much more. But here you are still, broken, down in a way, broken body pulled over to the side of the road, it seems. You are not. You have taken to the off-ramp, friend, where at the bottom the garden awaits, the garden that is God's, Eden. Moreover, you don't need to drive the car from this moment forward. Sit in the passenger seat, lean your head against the cool glass of the window, gaze into the stars, each one a sun, each one a light of the one who made you, the one who loves you, the one who loves us all. That one is at the wheel now, beloved. Your eyes may close, drowsy, as the journey winds to a close. Rest, sleep, abide in love, dear friend, God says. For all is well. Eden is just around the bend. You are loved, beloved. You are loved. Now, chapter 34, a song of God's faithful love. Lord, your faithful love reaches to the skies. Your faithfulness is as high as the clouds. Your goodness is higher than the highest mountains. Your fairness is deeper than the deepest ocean. Lord, you protect people and animals. Nothing is more precious than your loving kindness. All people can find protection close to you. They get strength from all the good things in your house. You let them drink from your wonderful river. The foundation of life flows from you. Your light lets us see light. Psalm 36, verses 5 through 9.